Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones JVS. Let's starting. These headphones have ANC for this price and they cost not so much. They have ANC, so just click one time to enable it and click again to disable it. Next one, these headphones have a good microphone. I know still for this price it's really good microphone. The next one is to really good gestures. I mean, I tested a lot of headphones and they need to have an application to customize gestures to use it comfortably. It's a special for me. Next one and the last one is these headphones have USB-C. Yeah, I know a lot of headphones have USB-C, but for this price sometimes I see a micro USB, not USB-C. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!